Hi kids, it's Mrs. Boyt. Hey, I told you I'd show you the perfect staycation. That's a vacation that you have at your house. So I wanted to show you something that my dad and I, actually it was more my dad than me, but I ended up buying this old teardrop trailer, and I wanted to show that to you today and show you what I'm gonna do with it to have a perfect staycation with my family. Here it is, kitties. And it is shaped just like a teardrop if you look at it from the side. The back lifts up and turns into a kitchen. And then the inside here with the two doors, you have one on the left side, one on the right side. Those open up to make a bed. So let's start out in the kitchen and see it first. This is actually original. This is a 1947 teardrop made from some Popular Mechanics plans. And that was a magazine way back in the day. You could see how the top lifts up, and I've just put like a banner of, it's a recycled banner of recycled old shirts, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make that later on, because I have another one over here in the tree that you can see. That's another banner I made with recycled material, old fabrics, old shirts, clothes that we're getting rid of, etc. But the back of it actually has a sink, and you can fill it with water. And it also has electrical outlets. You could see that. It has electricity on it, and you could charge it up as you're driving it to your destination. It also has charging ports, etc. And inside there are some too. On the side here, you can see a table, and that table is an old aluminum table. I'll lift up the side of the tablecloth so you can see what it's made out of. That's an old aluminum table. It was original to the teardrop. And look who's already in there, ready to go, ready to have our staycation. It's Nellie. Also on this table, you can eat, you can play games, you can visit with one another. But if that's not enough room, just put your chairs out. Here's some of your camping chairs. Also out for the fun staycation, a cornhole little set right here. That's a lot of fun. And the other doors, both doors are open, but they both close and they both lock. So around the back of it, you can see there's batteries right here. Inside here, there's a battery, and it is a really big battery. So it has a lot of electricity. Here is where you hook it to your vehicle. This is so tiny that you could even hook it to a Mini Cooper. That's how tiny and lightweight it is. And we're gonna go inside. I wanna show you where you sleep on a staycation, possibly. I think I'm gonna sleep in my house, but you could sleep in here. Remember, both doors close. On the back here is pillows. You could hang out in there. Here's the ceiling. And there is a light up there. There's a light, electricity. Let's go over to the bottom where your feet go. There's where your feet go inside. More electricity. You could charge your phones. You could turn on more light if you want it. There's a little shelf in the back where you can keep important things. Also, this little stand with my iPad on it, you can keep that on the shelf and you can watch TV. You could also mount a stand if that's not big enough for you. So this bed here, it's not super big. It's a full-size bed. I know a lot of you have maybe even bigger beds than that, but I would say that me and Nellie can fit in there just fine. Right, baby? We can fit in there. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna put Jensen out in a tent, huh? And you can. We actually went camping with this, and we had tent with it, and it was a lot of fun. So it's very lightweight, very easy to transport. And I also have like a little Coleman cook stove that when we take this, we take with us and we cook with it. We have both the grill and we have the coffee maker, so we can make coffee. We can make s'mores with this, but it's just a lot of fun. Hi, Nellie. And you can set up something like this in your own backyard. You can just get out of the house and get outside. Try to stay in your own yard. Try to stay self-confined. Shelter at home, but you can have some fun. Let's go visit Dave, see what he's barbecuing up for our dinner we're gonna have at our little staycation campsite. Again. Okay, so you know, this is the fire pit we're gonna use to have our s'mores out here. It's a gas fire pit, and we no longer allow wood in our Kern County, so use the gas fire pit. And then over here, Dave's going to be barbecuing on our barbecue since we're home. Why take out all the camping equipment? Just, this is already out. And remember when I made my, what did I make with the chili. I made chili and I used these Fresno chili peppers. This is how good these things look. So get out in your yard and garden. It's the perfect time to plant some seeds. And you could do that just from the seeds inside the fruits and vegetables you buy right at the grocery store. So Dave's going to be cooking up a couple really good things for tonight's dinner. And we're going to go have it out at the campsite. And then maybe later go in the jacuzzi tub, and enjoy a nice relaxing time. Probably too cold for the pool still. But guys, make the most out of it. Play some games, have some fun. Here's also a ping pong table out here and trampoline. Maybe break out the ping pong paddles and have a game of ping pong. But make the most out of it. Stay active. Go outside, enjoy, and have an awesome staycation at home.